Hey guys, Disney Collector here with the Play-Doh 123 Lunchbox Fun from Sesame Street. Let's check out what we have in this box. Here we have the fork, knife, and accessories. A plate, bread cutters, the fork, the little pizza cutter, knife, a ruler, pizza mold, more molds. Looks like this is a apple cutter. And more molds. This is the playmat. Play-Doh cans. Red, blue, purple, yellow, and orange. And this is a twist and press out compound. First, we're gonna make one apple. Now we're gonna cut it in 5 parts. One, two, three, four, 5. Time to make our pizza. Now we're gonna cut it in 6 parts. Use your pizza cutter. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 slices of pizza. Let's make 1 slice of bread. We can make 1 whole slice of bread and cut it in 2. We're gonna cut this slice of bread in 4 parts. One, 2, 3, and 4. Time to make our fruits. 1 slice of orange, 2 cherries, 3 bananas, 4 blueberries, 5 grapes. Let's press out the compound. starting with one circle. We're gonna cut the circle in 2 parts. Let's make it 3 parts. One, 2, and 3. This presser here is a lot like our mater presser, but with mater we have the choice to make 1 or 4 parts of Play-Doh. Let's make 4 parts. This looks a lot like spaghetti. And our Cookie Monster is definitely hungry, so it's time for lunch. How about some pizza, Cookie Monster? And we can have some pasta as well. Pasta is good. And some grapes. Blueberries. My favorite. More pizza.
Kawabunga!
Well guys, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for a lot more Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.